Hey you guys, good day. I have not made a good unboxing or haul video in a minute. So much has been going on. It's been a wild one, but today is the day. I am doing a very fun video, and as you can see in the title, it is a Lush haul. So this is just a small haul. They just recently launched all of their Halloween items, and I'm gonna try to pop up either here or here like some images or a little clip of their Halloween items online that you could purchase right now. They have so many cute things this year. This was about $30 worth of items, and I had a gift card still, like a leftover gift card with $25 and some change on it. So I felt like I walked away pretty well because I didn't have to spend too much of my own money. I have that gift card to do a bulk of the spending. So let's go on ahead and unpackage this. And after I go through these Lush items, I do have some very exciting news to tell you guys and another item to show you. So don't just stop as soon as the Lush stuff is over. Let's keep going. I got some good news. It's a really big deal and a really cool item to show that I will be using in the very near future. So let's get into it. So with this Lush haul, I grabbed up mainly bath bombs and bubble bars because those are the things I really wanted from the Halloween collection. They did have the cutest soap bars, and as I was leaving, I seen them, and if I seen them early on, I would have grabbed up a soap bar instead. But the way my store was set up, your eyes get drawn straight to the gift wall of the packaged items and the bubble bars and the bath bombs because those are their top sellers. So my eyes was drawn to a different direction, but I'm going to show you the individual item first. It is a bubble bar that I grabbed up. I think I paid $11 for this, but you could get multiple uses out of the bubble bars. You just break a little piece off, crumble it up under the running water. It makes so many bubbles in your bathtub. Most of the bubble bars I get anywhere from 3 to 5 uses. I feel like with this one, I will get a good 4. I'll just cut it sort of like a crumble cookie. And yes, it's a little Dracula guy. He is so adorable, and apparently he glows in the dark, which I've had this sitting in the bag, but not nearby where I could see it. But I actually do see kind of like a glowy iridescentness to the white part. So that might be what glows in the dark. But when I use this little fella tonight, I will turn the lights off and see if it actually glows. But right now it's daylight, so it might not work. But he is so cute. Look at his little red teeth and everything, and the little purple. Very, very cute. Smells, of course, great. It kind of smells like, I'm not gonna lie, the purple part for me actually does have a bit of a grape scent to it, but it's a little bit fruity at the same time. So I will have in the description box below each of the items and a direct link to them. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a direct link to the product. So if you want to know what is the ingredient listing, what the fragrant notes are, you can just easily click there and get the details that way. Next is the cutest little gift set. It is a trick-or-treat gift set. I went with this because A, it was only $19, but B, it had 2 of the products in it that I was planning to purchase. And whenever I'd done the math, it kind of balanced out the same. So I was like, I might as well just get a gift set so I could open this on camera. But yes, so it has a little to and from, so you could give it as a gift. But it has a little ghosty and a pumpkin inside, which is so cute. And technically, I guess that's kind of like what's on the package, this little ghost pumpkin. So kind of gave you a clue before you even opened it, what you were going to get. So let's just go on ahead and pop this open. So here we are. Now every single package from Lush will have the cutest little like potato starch fillers, and the way you can use these, there's multiple ways. You could use them as crafting items. You could just put them in the sink and run some water and they'll just break up, or you could do what I did and I just put these in my flower pots as compost because it's a natural ingredient. So perfect little compost for you guys. So here they all are. They put a good amount to protect my little pumpkin that's coming out first. So you guys, let's do the pumpkin. So stinking cute. Here he is. Precious. To me, he smells like Pez candy, but I know there's like a citrusy hint to it. So that's probably where I'm getting the Pez flavor from, but he is adorable. And then we got the little ghost who is tucked in on the side. This little guy, look how thick he is. That is a thick ghost. And as you can see, it has different colors throughout it, so you could put them in the water and he'll kind of like float around in the water and the little colors will shoot off, and it's just so cute. To me, he also smells like Pez, but it could be because he's frozen right next to that guy, but they smell like Pez candy to me, which I love. Anyways, this explains everything about the little packing peanuts, as well as the name of the products and what to expect from them. So very, very cute little set. Like I said, not a big haul, but it's just enough to get a little taste of the holidays and get into the spooky season spirit, which I love. So the exciting news I wanted to tell you guys is, as this video is live right now, Bryce is actually in Japan, and he's going to be spending about 3 weeks there just exploring all of Japan has to offer. And he's going to be going to places like the Pokemon Cafe, the Kirby Cafe, the Final Fantasy Cafe. There is a Calico Critter or Sylvania Family Cafe that's actually ending while he's there, so he's going to try to pop in there to get some of the exclusive merch. But as soon as he arrives back from Japan, we have 2 days here in Florida before we are going to England. And it is such a big deal. It's a very short last minute trip. It was a little bit unexpected because we were up in the air if we should do it or not, but it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to go to an event at Wadhurst Castle. And I don't know when or if we'll ever get an opportunity to go to a castle and be able to dress up in evening gowns and attend a very black tie affair. I just don't see it ever happening. And I am blown away that it's happening as of a few weeks from now. So as soon as he gets back, we'll be going over to England. It's going to be mid-October. Of course, Wadhurst Castle is out in East Sussex, so it's going to be very beautiful. Hopefully the leaves will be changing and we'll be able to enjoy it. We're also going to be staying in London for a minute, and then we'll be also staying in Windsor. And I don't know where I'm staying at in Windsor though. Bryce is surprising me with that. He booked the room. He showed me like 9 different places, and then he was like, I'll surprise you. So I have no idea where I'm going to be at in Windsor. I could be right across the street from Windsor Castle, or I could be at one of the other areas that's more residential in a cottage. I'm just not really sure. So I'm really excited about that, and I will be filming all of it because it is just such a thrilling event. And I told my parents about it, and they were excited for me because they know that I've always loved England. I've always wanted to go there, and so of course they're like, you gotta film some stuff, you gotta take photos. So I'll be very busy. But with that being said, we did pay a little bit of an upgrade charge so we could pick our own seats for the flight, so we could be next to each other. And then of course with the upgrade charge, we were allowed to have check bags for free. So I went ahead and purchased a carry-on bag, so my check rolling bag could be the check-on bag, and then I can have my own carry-on bag because I didn't really have one planned out. So let me show you what it looks like. It's from the brand Bess, B-E-I-S. I have seen these in the Nordstrom anniversary sale in like a creamy white color and then in Barbie pink, but I didn't grab them up because at the time I had no idea that I was going to England and would need such a nice bag. But the bottom of it is pretty tough, and it's designed to keep your shoes or your toiletries at the base because it's a more secure area. So I'll probably put my shoes down there. And then the top part opens kind of like a doctor bag. So you can put a lot of things in it. It has pockets, has a laptop case, and then it folds up like that and you zip it back up. There's also this little guy right here, and it's optional. You can use it to slide onto the handle of your rolling suitcase, or you can zip it shut and just use it as like a little pocket to keep like any of your papers with you, or if you want to just keep something small, they can easily grab up right there. But I love it. It's in the color slate, which to me is like I think the way they were wording it is like a blue gray, but to me, in person, it has a little bit of a green hue to it, ever so slightly green color. But yeah, it has a whole strap. It has the leather handles. I'm really excited. They do have a rolling bag that matches this, but this collection is no longer in stock on their website. So everywhere that I have seen this online, the rolling suitcase, people are trying to mark it up more than what it's worth to sell it. So maybe in the future I could get a rolling one to complement it, maybe like in a creamy white color. I think that'll look really good with it. But as of now, it's just this little guy right here. So that's what I will be packing all of my goodies for England. And then in the rolling bag, Bryce and I will have our black tie attire inside of that, because it's his suit and then my gown, which is out for delivery today as I'm filming this. I wish I could show you guys, but I'm gonna wait and show you guys whenever I make the video of the event. I will be vlogging and I can show what it looks like then, but it's very beautiful and I'm really happy about it. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you actually already know what my gown looks like, because I had a collage of multiple gowns. I was asking which color, which style. So actually everyone over on my IG has seen the gown, but I did not tell them which one I picked out of the group of 5. So it'll be a surprise for them as well. If you aren't following me over on Instagram, go on ahead and give me a follow, because of course, with this trip coming up, I will be Instagramming. I will have international, so I will be over there doing that, but also there'll be my Japan trip coming up really soon too. Bryce is going solo right now, and then in a few months we'll be going together. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.